good evening to all of you. Today I am going to tell about the soil. You might be thinking that soil is a very silly thing and it is nothing only soil. But the planet, just I want to clarify over this matter, the planet Earth is composed of two major components, that is number one land and the number two is water. So land is nothing but mainly composed of only soil, and this soil is such a beneficial matter that it provides a house to all the animals and all the human beings also. It is the house for the mountains, it is the house for forests, jungles, all the things that you imagine. Whereas the water, it is only the house for the aquatic animals. So now you realize the importance of this soil. This soil is also termed as the soul of the planet. Why? Why I am telling about soil as the soul? Because for a farmer, it the term soil refers to the cultivated top layer of the earth. It is the cultivated top layer only that has a depth of up to 15 centimeter to say maximum 30 centimeter, because it is the only region where the crops can be grown as it needs. So the second one, it definitely means much more to a civil engineer. This civil engineer, he calculates the exact depth for the foundations of various structures. Actually, I want to say that it determines the foundation depth of the structures. So, by calculating or by knowing all the details of the soil profile, the civil engineer, what does he do? He exactly calculates the depth of the soil for erection of the various structures. Similarly, for a sculptor, actually it earns his livelihood because he prepares various idols by use of this earth and sells it at the time of various festivals like Ganesh Puja, Durga Puja, and other so many pujas, Saraswati Puja, Kudrikund Puja, so many pujas that you know much more better than me. And for a brick manufacturer, it also it also costs a lot for him, because the brick manufacturer, he earns money, he earns not money but he earns a lot of money, and we, the general people, what we do, we purchase bricks which are made of only soil. So this is the generally actually tendency, it detail actually the activities that is we are taking up with this soil. The third one, a poor man, he generally he remains in just hut or cottage, and this cottage or hut is particularly and mainly based on the only soil, because soil is the only material, vital material by a poor man. He uses it for construction of walls and everything. Similarly, so also it provides enormous benefits, it provides enormous scopes to an environmental engineer, so also to the mechanical engineer, because it is the only best material for providing the ideas to all sorts of engineers and all sorts of people, whereas as and when needed by them. The third one is soil, but you must be knowing what is that. What is soil? It is a layer of unconsolidated materials at the earth's surface. At the earth's surface. Similarly, but you should be anxious to know how it is formed. It is definitely, it is a matter of a question by each and everybody. Actually, soil is formed mainly by breaking of the rocks. Rocks means by breaking of the rocks particles and dot particle due to weathering action, and also it is accomplished with various erosion processes. And now let me tell what are the contents of soil. You must be thinking that soil is itself only one thing, but it is not so. It has got so many contents. The number one, it contains humus. Number two, microorganisms, micro living organisms also, because it is very very helpful for crop production and other things also. The third one is water and air. These four things are basically present in almost all types of soil. It one thing you must be also knowing about that soil is formed, that everybody knows by the processes what I have told, but it takes many years. Many years means it actually it about near about 300 to 1000 years for formation of 1-inch layer of soil over the crust of the earth or over the crust of the planet. It takes 300 to 1000 years, but this good, I want to tell us, but this good works, that means creation of the 1-inch of topsoil over the earth crust is mainly is wasted in relatively few years by careless land management practices. This destruction processes actually so huge losses we are doing, and it is happening, you cannot imagine. That I will narrate in some other topic. It is a very vast topic where actually it covers the different erosion processes and other things. So now let me tell about the formation of soil. Formation of soil is basically dependent upon 5 major factors. Number one, nature of parent rock. Depending upon the rock, you will find different type of soil, clay soil, different laterite soil. Laterite soil is based on only laterite stones. So many different rock and different soil type. Similarly, the second one is relief of the area. That means altitude and slope of the land. These things determine the accumulation of soil particles in a particular place. The third one is climate, temperature. That means temperature and rainfall. Both the temperature and rainfall influence the weathering action of this soil formation process. And the fourth one is vegetation. Actually, vegetation depends on the quality of the humus present in the soil, and this humus are microorganisms. That means humus, it is consisted of not only the plant decomposition, it also includes the decomposition of the animals also, dead animals also. Similarly, the fifth one is time. Time usually takes near about what I have told, it minimum 300 and maximum 1000 years for formation of 1 inch of soil. So you see how very much important it is. So based on these factors, actually the quality of and the quantity of the soil is purely depends, and this quality and quantity is only responsible for production of the crops. So the areas with rich fertile soil is definitely it provides a conducive situation for production of any type of crops. This another thing which actually you will find very rich fertile soil in the river valleys. How? Because the annual floods automatically rejuvenate and automatically that means renew the formation of this alluvial soil. So these are the main factors which is responsible for this rich in soil. So the soils which are out of these things, which are not fertile, these are unfit for the any type of cultivation and so many things. So actually the time is now a limited factor. I will tell the other things in my letter now. Thank you very much.